Hello, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to Flipside 05, your go-to channel on everything aviation. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration into the world of giants, the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 747. We are leaving no stone unturned as we compare different specifications of these legendary aircrafts. So buckle up and get ready for a detailed journey through the skies of aviation history. Let's begin by introducing our contenders. The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft, and the Boeing 747, an iconic jumbo jet often referred to as the Queen of the Skies. These giants have shaped the skies for decades, and today we'll dissect every specification to see how they stack up against each other. But first, a brief history lesson to set the stage for this epic comparison. The A380, introduced in the mid-2000s, aimed to redefine long-haul travel with its unparalleled size and capacity. Meanwhile, the Boeing 747, with its distinctive hump, has been soaring since the late 1960s, earning its status as a true aviation icon. Let's talk about dimensions. The Airbus A380 stands tall with a length of 72.7 meters and a wingspan of 79.7 meters. On the other hand, the Boeing 747, though slightly shorter, has a respectable length of 70.6 meters and a wingspan of 64.4 meters. The A380, with its double-deck configuration, can accommodate up to 853 passengers in a typical two-class layout. Meanwhile, the 747, with its iconic upper deck, can seat between 416 to 660 passengers, depending on the variant. The layout and design philosophy of each aircraft plays a significant role in their operational capabilities. Now let's discuss performance. The Airbus A380 boasts a range of approximately 8,000 nautical miles, making it ideal for long-haul flights connecting major hubs. The Boeing 747, with its multiple variants, offer a range that can extend up to 8,555 nautical miles. The range of an aircraft is a critical factor for airlines planning global routes. Whether it's flying from New York to Hong Kong or London to Sydney, these specifications influence airlines' decisions on fleet composition and network expansion. Economics and efficiency are pivotal in the aviation industry. The A380, with its vast capacity, faced challenges for some airlines to consistently fill all its seats. The 747, with its adaptability, allowed airlines to tailor capacity to meet demand more efficiently. Operational efficiency is paramount, especially in today's dynamic markets. Airlines are increasingly favoring twin-engine aircrafts for their improved fuel efficiency, leading to shifts in the industry landscape. Now, let's dive into the technology and innovation that defines these giants. The A380 features advanced systems including impressive wing designs and quiet, fuel-efficient engines. The 747, while having evolved over the years, retains some of its classic features, showcasing the enduring qualities that have made it an aviation legend. Innovation in aviation is a continuous journey. Both the A380 and 747 have contributed significantly to advancing technology from avionics to materials shaping the modern aviation landscape. As we wrap up our comparison, let's reflect on the legacy and future of these amazing aircrafts. The Boeing 747, with its storied history, has been a symbol of aviation for over half a century. The Airbus A380, a more recent addition, has made its mark as the largest passenger aircraft in the world. Looking ahead, the industry is witnessing a shift towards more sustainable and efficient options. While both the A380 and 747 have played pivotal roles in shaping aviation, we may see newer, more eco-friendly aircrafts taking the spotlight. There you have it, a detailed comparison between the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 747. Which one captivates you more? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this comprehensive journey through specifications, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that keeps you soaring through the world of flight. This is Solomon from Flipside 05 signing off.